Fabulous, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious low-calorie peppermint mocha. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to make this. It is so good, it's so delicious, and honestly I think it's actually personally better than Starbucks. And the best part is it's like literally just over 100 calories, which is amazing, and it literally has like 15 grams of protein. Let me show you quickly exactly what you need in order to make this peppermint mocha. So you're going to need some made coffee. So I literally just like brewed a batch of coffee here. So you need some coffee. You're going to need some unsweetened cashew milk or unsweetened almond milk, whatever you decide, or regular milk, whatever you tend to drink on like a regular basis. You're going to need some LadyBoss Lean, because this is kind of like the magic ingredient. So this is the vanilla cake flavor. You're going to need some cocoa. You're going to need some peppermint. So this is just like the peppermint extract. And then you're going to need a magic bullet. And that's basically it. The first thing we want to do is we want to actually measure out a half a cup of the unsweetened cashew milk. Going to measure out basically a half a cup. So it's almost like a peppermint mocha latte, but like I said, it's low calorie and it's freaking delicious. So that's a half a cup. So what we want to do is we actually want to warm this in the microwave. So I'm going to put this in the microwave for about 45 seconds. So the reason why we want to actually like warm it up in the microwave first is because if we blend it without warming it up, then it's going to cause our peppermint mocha to be a little bit on the cool side. So if we warm it up, then it's basically going to be like the perfect temperature. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So again, only 45 seconds in the microwave, or you can heat it on the stove if you like, whatever option you choose. So then you want to take your magic bullet cup here, you want to pour it in like this. You want to take your cocoa. So this is literally just like no name brand cocoa, as you can tell. So you're going to need a tablespoon. Now a tablespoon might seem like a lot, but it's not. It makes it perfect. So we're going to add a tablespoon. We need 1 scoop of the LadyBoss Lean in here. So 1 scoop of the LadyBoss Lean. And then literally just like a couple drops. That could almost be a little bit too much. But you literally just want a couple drops because the peppermint extract goes a long ways. So literally just a couple drops. And if you find there's maybe not enough peppermint taste to it after you make it, you can always add a little bit more after. So you put the lid on. I always like to shake it up a little bit. I'm gonna plug this in and we're gonna blend it. We're gonna blend it for probably like 30 seconds. That's probably good. And what we do is we open it. It's steaming, can you see that? Okay, so we're gonna add it back to our cup. So I like to add all of it. So there's quite a bit in there. Then you take your hot coffee like this. We're gonna add it in. And now I like to mix it up a little bit. This. Look at how good it looks. I don't know if you can see all the bubbles in there. Now if you want to get really fancy, you can actually add whipped cream to it. But I don't always tend to add whipped cream to it. I'm more of like, I just like it plain like this. It's so good. Oh God. Oh. It's like the bomb. So good. So like I said, this peppermint mocha is literally just over 100 calories. So coffee has what, like 5 calories in it. We have our unsweetened cashew milk. So what was that, a half a cup? It had like 12 calories in it. We have our LadyBoss Lean that has 100 calories per scoop. And we have our cocoa, which has what, 20 calories. So what is that, maybe max like 130 calories or something for a peppermint mocha. And honestly, like I said, it tastes better than Starbucks. And Starbucks peppermint mocha is probably around like 400 calories. And this is 1,000 times better. 1,000 times better. So if you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comments section down below. Let me know if you've tried this or if you want to try it, or if you want the discounted price on the LadyBoss Lean. I'll actually leave a link in the description below, and then you guys can actually get the discount on the LadyBoss Lean. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. I can't wait to chat with you later. I'm so excited. Christmas is coming up soon. Yay! And you know what? There's snow out here. I live in Canada and it just started snowing like a week and a half ago, and it totally feels like Christmas now. It's crazy. So my daughter's out there. She's sledding right now with her friend actually down like the gang hill. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. Can't wait to talk with you later. I love you. Talk to you later. Bye.